they're gonna let the city make a solo pass. It's not going to show the time, right?
Oh well.
I don't know. I don't know if they turned the clock. It might show the time. I think they might have turned the clocks back on, so I hope they show the time. So I want to see it at 7:30 or at 7:40. Damn, son.
Why you gonna be hot?
Woo! Lord have mercy.
I don't know.
That car twisted a lot when the power came in.
A lot.
Holy shit.
It spit something out down there, bolts for
Yep.
sure.
I think it's a camera on the side.
You think it was it might have been the camera. There's a GoPro on the side of it. Looks like it might have just spit the camera right off the side of the car because the chassis twisted when the power came in. That was past, boys. So unfortunately, it did not show the time because, like I said, it was the small tire guys went, so they had the clocks off. But make our way back to the pits and see what that was. But that was rolling.